Hello again. Back on my balcony. Last days we had awful heat wave. Many days above 30 degrees the whole day and dry. So the country was crying for rain. And we had some showers today. And I waited for showers to play and perform finally this wonderful tune from the 60s. You and me and rain on the roof, caught up in a summer shower, drying while it soaks the flowers. Maybe we'll be caught for hours, waiting out for sun. You and me were gabbing away, dreaming conversation, sitting in the hay. Honey, how long was I laughing in the rain with you? 'Cause I didn't feel a drop till the sun brought us to.